In this section, we're going to discuss your disability benefits, including basic short-term disability, optional short-term disability, basic long-term disability, optional long-term disability, and the effective date of disability coverage. Please note, resident physicians are not eligible to participate in a group disability plans. FGP members have separate long-term disability benefits than those presented here, but are eligible for the STD benefit. Here are a couple things for you to think about. Did you know the odds are 3 in 10 that you will become disabled sometime before retiring? The Social Security Administration estimates that just more than 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before age 67. Also, the average disability lasts 2.5 years. Can you afford to pay your bills if you can't work? What happens when your sick leave and savings run out? You insure your life, your home, your car. You also need to protect your income. What is the disability benefit? Both short-term and long-term disability could replace up to 60% of your salary should you run out of leave time and are unable to work due to a disability, such as an illness, an accident, and in some cases, pregnancy. The amount of coverage depends on your salary and if you've elected to buy up coverage above what the university provides. Both plans are fully insured through the standard insurance company. Pre-existing conditions are not covered on claims filed in the first year of coverage. With short-term disability, you are eligible for benefits to be paid to you after you're off work more than 2 weeks due to an illness, accident, or pregnancy, and after you run out of paid leave. Except women on maternity leave can choose to save some of their leave time before going on unpaid leave of absence. Short-term disability pays a benefit up to 12 weeks. This is good coverage to have if you don't have 12 weeks of leave saved up to cover a medical absence. We will automatically enroll you in basic short-term disability. There are no forms to sign. Short-term disability covers your first $45,000 of annual base salary with a maximum weekly benefit of $519. Please see the calculation provided here for more information. Optional short-term disability. If you make over $45,000 per year, you have the option to enroll in optional short-term disability. Optional short-term disability covers your annual base salary above $45,000 and up to $216,000. This raises your maximum weekly benefit to $2,492, but not to exceed 60% of pay. You would pay the premium of 0.0082 times your salary above $45,000. So for example, the cost to employees making $55,000 annually equals $6.68 per month. The cost to an employee making $100,000 per year is $36.76 per month. The cost to an employee making $216,000 or greater per year is $114.29 per month. So what is long-term disability? Long-term disability is the same benefit as short-term disability. That is 60% replacement of your base salary minus Social Security or other disability payments if you can no longer perform the duties of your position due to an accident or an illness. Benefits begin after you're off work 6 months. Short-term disability would transition into long-term disability if you continue to be unable to work after 6 months. Payments continue to be paid as long as you're disabled or until you reach age 65, although benefits may be paid for a short period of time past age 65 if the disability occurs after you reach that age. Basic long-term disability covers employees earning less than $20,000 per year and employees earning in excess of $20,000 per year who do not elect optional long-term disability. We will automatically enroll you in basic long-term disability effective your hire date. There are no forms for you to sign. Basic long-term disability covers your first $20,000 of annual base salary. The maximum benefit is $1,000 per month. Optional long-term disability applies to employees with salaries above $20,000. It provides the same 60% protection of your salary, but raises your maximum benefit to $5,000 a month because it covers your salary up to $100,000. Please see the rate sheet for premium calculations. For example, if your annual salary is $36,475, optional long-term disability raises your maximum monthly benefit from $1,000 to $1,823.75 at your premium cost of $7.03 per month. $34.13 is the maximum monthly premium. This applies to those making $100,000 a year or more. If you miss your 1-month enrollment window as a new employee, you have to wait for the next open enrollment period to enroll. For optional short-term disability, if you enroll within your first 30 days, coverage takes effect the first day of the next calendar month after you enroll. If your salary goes over $45,000 in the future, you have 1 month to enroll in optional short-term disability. Optional long-term disability. If you enroll within your first 30 days, coverage takes effect the first day of the next calendar month after you enroll. If your salary goes over $20,000 in the future, you have 1 month to enroll in optional long-term disability. The benefits office will send you a letter if your salary goes over $20,000, giving you the opportunity to enroll in optional long-term disability.